Hello. This is a lecture just for the online students. This is a class discussion, so I'll ask only online students in the course to participate in the discussion board. Regular in-person students, you've already participated, so no need to participate here. What I'm going to pose for you today is a typical design situation, and then just kind of questions at the end as to how you think it might go or has gone. So the first thing we have is the task. The task here in front of your team, so you're on an imaginary team, the task is to create logistics software that tracks orders as they process and gives the client up-to-date status through an app that goes along with that. So the clients use the app, but you have a whole logistics software package that it runs off of. So you're going to be designing that for your client. You're not actually doing this. This is just hypothetical for our situation today. The players of the game are Bob and Alice, so they're on your team with you. Bob and Alice, they're the top developers at the organization. They have a very strong command of technology. Everybody on their team loves working with them. And they also have an excellent track record for on-time completion. So usually a pretty good top winning team here. In preparation, Bob and Alice have talked to everybody on the team. They've talked to the customers who will be purchasing the product, and they've talked to key stakeholders. This would be investors in both companies. They've also talked to individuals, key customers as well, and then they've also conducted some site visits. What you've observed them doing so far is that they have, in their offices, they have lots of user interface sketches up on their whiteboards. You've heard them use terms like user experience, user-friendly, usability, intuitive, simple, and they frequently discuss user empathy. The situation, Bob and Alice are about to present their initial user interface design to the team that you're on. Now remember, you're inside their company working with them, and here's question number one. So there's two parts to this discussion post, so two paragraphs. Question number one, how good do you think their initial user interface design will be? And then, so you can pause this, write that down. And then question two is, how well do you think the meeting will go? So I want you to write a response to those, and then of course in typical fashion I want you to respond to other classmates, pose alternate scenarios to them, leading questions. Just don't tell them how good their discussion post is. So elaborate on what they've said, tell a personal story of something you've witnessed, ask it kind of leading questions or probing questions, or disagree with them and state your reasons why. So have a collegial discussion, if you will. So this is for online students only. So those are your two questions. If you need to rewind the tape and go back, I sound so old now. If you want to rewind the video here and go backwards and see the two questions again, that is up to you. But good luck, and I look forward to reading your discussion posts.